Ladies and gentlemen, another quick, not a quick one actually, another crash course into how to, I haven't figured it out yet. Another crash course into how to make your own projects, own products. What about this? Why don't we make our own templates, use our own creativity to make it so that our precious handmade products, our own products from scratch. So today that's what we're gonna do. So there's multiple ways we can do this. We can grab a paper and pencil, start drawing something, or we can use the technology.
Technologia. Technology.
So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna hop on my computer and create something from scratch with you. So free softwares, you can, as I said, you can use pen, paper, anything you like. To make it easier, uh, free software to use for leathercraft is leathercraft cat. So I'll put the link down below to download it. It is super simple. Downside is that everything is in millimeters. So it gives you a little tutorial on how to do things and a copy and paste and close caption, close up subjects and outlines does that. But there's already a little tutorial. It gives you credit card dimensions. Based off of that, you can create your own or use this because that's basically a pocket. All right. So I'll just show you a couple of cool things for this so you can explore your own. So you just, on the left side, you just get a line, and then based on, the length, you can just do a quick conversion on the side from inches to millimeters. You can just draw your line. You can make it so that this length is exactly what you want, so that it's technically 100 millimeters and never changes. And you can make it so that your angle is 45, 60, 30, whatever you want, or make it a horizontal or vertical, so it will only go up or down. So I'm just gonna quickly draw a rectangle to represent a pocket, a wall pocket. So I'm just gonna, we can do offset, and then offset width is 3 millimeters. That is usually what uh, what's the measurement is for the, okay, hi honey, okay, oh, off you go. So that is the offset to put the stitching line. They use 3 millimeters. I personally use 1/8 of an inch. So if you use anything more than that, all you have to do is go to Google, do millimeters to inches, and then change that value. So we just keep it as 3. So we click on offset and then tap on this, get our offsets. So these are basically our stitching lines. Even though they don't look like stitching lines, it's gonna look like one now. We're gonna go and click on stitching, and we're gonna pick whichever we want: diamond, French, flat, round, 3 millimeters, 4 millimeters, 5 millimeters. So I'll just do diamond because that's what I use, and you choose 1, 2, 3, 9, however many you want, and then you go to your stitching line, click on it, and then boom. Oh, sorry, that's 1, that's 2, that is 3, and then now you know where your stitching ends. Based on that, you can adjust your template, and once you print this, uh, you'll have your own template with your own stitching lines, and you can put the lines wherever you want. You can make it curve, you can make it not curve. Basically, only thing that is holding you is your own imagination. I print these on a sticky paper so that I can cut around and then stick it to my leather and then cut over it to make it easier. Because once you start making your own designs, sometimes you don't have that perfect look or something that you really want to change, so you play with your template quite a lot. So my recommendation will be to use this sticky paper so you don't have to do your template again and again and again, or just use a regular paper and use a masking tape to hold it down to your leather. Thank you.